Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Dear student of class 6, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In your last class, I have discussed about lesson 4, that is this lesson, agro-ecological zone based on soil, water and climate. Now today I am going to discuss about flood, cyclone and drought prone areas in Bangladesh. Some areas of Bangladesh are flood prone. Some areas of Bangladesh are cyclone prone and some are drought prone. What is the characteristics of that area and what is the position of the area? Today I will discuss about this. Now, flood. Flood is a water created natural calamity. What is flood? The answer is flood is a water created natural calamity. In Bangladesh, we see 4 types of flood. The first type is flash or sudden flood. This is the common phenomena of Bangladesh. This sort of flood is seen in the northern and the eastern hilly basins in Bangladesh. This flood is caused suddenly in the month of April and May for the border hilly swell. The water of this flood lasts from a few hours to several days. Crop damage often happens for sudden floods when paddy ripens in the marshy or haor areas. The second type of flood is flood caused by rain. This flood is seen when the low-lying areas of the country are submerged due to heavy downpour. This sort of flood is seen in the northern, western and mid areas of the country. The third type of flood is river-borne flood. River-borne flood. When heavy rainfall continues in the upstream region of Bangladesh, the water flows to Bay of Bengal from all over the country. As our major rivers are filled with silt, they fall to transport the huge amount of water quickly. As a result, flood occurs in the central portion, namely the basins of the Padma, the Meghna and the Brahmaputra. The devastating flood occurred in these areas in the year of 1988, 1998 and 2004. Flood caused by coastal storms and cyclones. Cyclone occurs when a violent depression is created in the Bay of Bengal. A windstorm is accompanied with a tidal surge in coastal area. The salty water of the sea rushes towards coastal area at a great speed standing high and causes floods. So, crops, fisheries, livestock houses are damaged with the loss of human human lives. For example, the last cedar and the Ayla caused a havoc in the southern area of Borishal and Khulna divisions. We have discussed about the types of flood seen in Bangladesh. Now it is time to discuss about drought. What is drought? If rainfall does not occur continuously for 20 days or more than that in dry season, this condition is called drought. Due to drought, there are deficiency of moisture in the soil for crops, so that crop yield may decrease 15 to 90%. The most drought prone areas in Bangladesh are Rajshahi, Chapainawabganj, Nauga, Dinajpur, Bogra, Kushtia and Jashore. Now see this map. This is a map of flood, drought and tidal prone areas. Here this symbol indicates flood prone area. This dot like symbol indicates drought prone area, and this sign indicates tidal prone area. The white portion indicates that the area is safe from drought, flood and tidal. They are not drought, flood and tidal prone areas. The white area is not drought, flood and tidal prone area. But here here dots in the region of dot symbol, there is drought. That means Dinajpur, Nauga, Rajshahi, Nator, Bogra, Jashore, etc. area are very much drought prone area. On the other hand, Jamalpur is situated in the bank of a river, that is Brahmaputra river. So Jamalpur is highly flood prone area. On the other hand, Tangail, Manikganj, Munshiganj, they are the districts on the bank of river, so they are highly flood prone areas. On the other hand, the southern part of country, here Chittagong, Feni, Bhola, Patuakhali, Bagerhat, Khulna are the tidal prone areas, because there is Bay of Bengal in the southern part. So this map is very easy to understand, and from this chapter 5 we have to finish finish this chapter, and there are some questions and MCQ. I will discuss it in the next class. Now I am going to discuss about MCQ on lesson 4. Lesson 4 is about agroecological zone based on soil, water and climate. The first question is, how many agroecological zones are there in Bangladesh? We know that there are 30 agroecological zones. In your textbook, it is written that Bangladesh is divided into 30 agroecological zones on the basis of soil, water and climate. So answer is 30. Question 2. How many agroecological zones in the alluvial soil area formed with? The correct answer is 17. The answer is found in the textbook. The question is how many agroecological zones is the alluvial soil area formed with? You have to count the number of alluvial zones, then you will get 17. So the answer is 17. Into how many larger areas can agroecological zone be classified? Answer is 5. Into how many larger areas? You will find this answer from this above map. There are there is written, classify the agroecological zones into 5 larger categories. There are 5 larger categories, so the answer is 5. Which is formed with the agroecological zone 11, 12, 14? The agroecological zone 11 is higher Ganges river flooded land area, 12 is low Ganges river flooded land area, and 14 is Bill area of Gopalganj, Khulna. So the answer of this question is Chor land area. Now question 5. Dash is formed with 4 agroecological zone. The answer is Borendro area and Manipur area. Borendro area and Manipur area is formed with 4 agroecological zones. One and 3. Now next question, observe the figure below and answer to the question 6 and 7. In this figure there is A, B, C, D here and E here. What are the name of the agroecological zone A, B, C, D that are included in the figure? You have to answer this question on the basis of textbook. In your textbook, see this map and try to understand the position of agroecological zone. The correct answer of the question is Borendro and Madhupur area. This is the area indicated indicated here is Borendra and Madhupur area. Number 7. Which division is the agroecological area E in the figure? Here is E. E is under Chittagong division. So the question is Chittagong. Now I want to discuss about some MCQ question on lesson 5. How many kinds of floods are seen in Bangladesh? In your textbook, it is written that there are 4 kinds of floods are seen in Bangladesh. So the answer is 4. Now question 2. What percentage of crop yield may decrease due to drought? In your textbook, it is written that the crop yield may decrease 15 to 90%. 15 to 90%. It can be called drought if rainfall does not occur for how many days continuously. So in your textbook there is written that if rainfall does not occur continuously for 20 days or more. So the answer is 20 days. Now question 4. Low-lying areas of the country are submerged due to heavy downpour are option 1 northern areas, option 2 western areas, option 3 mid areas. The correct answer is northern areas, western areas and mid areas, both of the 3. So the answer is 1, 2 and 3. The most drought prone areas in Bangladesh is option 1 Rajshahi, option 2 Sylhet, option 3 Dinajpur. Now the answer is 1, 2, 3. You have to check your textbook to answer this. Follow this map and you will get the answer. Drought prone area is here. Dinajpur is drought prone area. Sylhet is also drought prone, but half of the Sylhet is drought. Sylhet is not drought prone. Sorry, Sylhet is not drought prone area. Dinajpur is drought prone area, and on the other hand Rajshahi is also drought prone area. So the answer should be 1 Rajshahi and 3 Dinajpur. 1 and 3. Correct answer is 1 and 3. Now read the passage below and answer to the question 6 and 7. Flood occurred due to heavy downpour in Sabbir's area. For this, their crops were damaged severely. Question 6. Sabbir's home is in is in the dash of the country. The option 1 northern areas, option 2 southern areas, option 2 western areas, option 3 southern areas. Which one is correct? Sabbir's home is in 1 and 2, northern area and western area. Now question 7. What kind of flood occurred in Sabbir area? In Sabbir area, flood caused by rain. This type of flood caused by rain. There are 4 types. This type of flood occur in Sabbir area. Because in this passage we have seen that flood occurred due to heavy downpour. Heavy downpour means rainfall, heavy rainfall. So in Sabbir's area, flood caused by rain is occurred. And Sabbir's area may be situated in the northern areas or may be situated in western areas. So we have to choose 1 and 2. Now I have to finish this lesson. Thanks for watching this video.